I placed my 2026 David Austin order at the end of October of 2025. Last year was the first time I ordered David Austin roses since I bought the new property that is completely a blank slate. So I have a lot of work to do creating gardens from scratch. And by the way, when looking at my order from last year compared to this year, I noticed that the price of the David Austin roses has gone up by $5. Did anyone else notice? Gardening is expensive, so hopefully these YouTube videos could help me fund creating all of these new gardens from scratch. But not yet, since I don't have 1,000 subscribers, so please do subscribe. It would really help me out, and I love making new gardening friends. I ordered 5 for 2026, mainly because that is what gets you across the threshold to get the free shipping, and I hate paying for shipping as I'm already on a budget. The reason why I chose these varieties was mainly because I want varieties that make good cut flowers that last well in a vase. And I definitely have preference for roses with a beautiful perfume and, of course, disease resistance. The first David Austin rose I ordered for 2026 is Litchfield Angel. This rose actually has a light fragrance, but almost every flower farmer that grows roses grows Litchfield Angel. It has pale peachy pink buds that gradually open to cupped cream colored rosettes. I admit I am a sucker for white or cream roses. I dream of a hedge of white roses on the property with petals spilling over onto the ground, the white blooms glowing in the evenings, and the scent lingering in the hot, humid summer nights. And I'm gonna make it happen someday. Litchfield Angel grows to about 5 feet high and wide, so it'll be a large shrub. None of the David Austins I ordered last year were white, so I needed to add a white rose to my collection. The second rose I ordered is Queen of Sweden. This rose starts a soft apricot pink and gradually changes to a pure soft pink as the flower opens and ages. It also gets 5 feet tall but only 3 feet wide. The myrrh fragrance on this rose is rated medium. Everyone raves about this rose, so I'm excited to finally add this to my collection. The third rose I ordered is Crown Princess Margareta in the climbing form. I actually ordered this rose last year, but they sent a Strawberry Hill rose on accident. The Strawberry Hill ended up being vigorous and the first one to flower, but the flowers do not last long, really a day or two on the plant. I reordered this one again in hopes to get it in 2026. This is actually a vigorous climber, so I'll need to get a structure for it to climb on. The flowers are large and have many petals and are apricot orange in shade. It has a strong fruity tea fragrance. The foliage is glossy, which I do prefer. I'm excited about this one and hopefully I actually get it this time. The fourth rose I ordered is Princess Alexandra of Kent. It also has large, full-petaled and deeply cupped blooms. The blooms are held upright on the shrub. The blooms are bright pink and have a strong tea fragrance to them. It's going to be 5 feet tall and 4 feet wide. All the reviews I have read about it have raved about this rose and how easy and disease resistant it is. And I gravitate towards roses with strong fragrances, so this one is going in my garden for 2026. And finally, the fifth rose I ordered is Munstead Wood. This rose has very deep, velvety crimson blooms that are deeply cupped and have a strong old rose fruity fragrance. I don't have a red David Austin rose yet, and from my research, I couldn't go wrong with Munstead Wood. They seem to be good as cut flowers as well. Again, that strong fragrance is really appealing to me. This one is the smallest out of the 5 I ordered, coming in at 3 feet high and 3.5 feet wide. I am excited to see this one bloom. The photos I've seen of it are stunning. And those are the 5 I ordered for 2026. They should be arriving in the spring. Please tell me if you have any of these growing in your garden and what has your experience been with them. I'd also love to know what varieties you ordered and which ones have you found to be great cut flowers, as I am always adding to my list to order in years to come. Thanks so much for watching. Please leave this video a like and do subscribe. Have a fantastic gardening year, friends. Talk to you soon.